Are you looking to eat healthier but struggling to find foods that are both low in carbs and sugar? Well, look no further. We've got you covered with the top 9 healthiest foods that are not only delicious but also free of carbs and sugar. Yes, you heard that right. No carbs and no sugar. So, grab a pen and paper because you'll want to make sure these make it onto your grocery list ASAP. 1. Avocados. Let's start off with everyone's favorite superfood, avocados. Not only are they packed with healthy fats and nutrients, but they also contain 0 carbs and sugar. You can enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or simply on their own with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. 2. Salmon. Next up, we have salmon, a powerhouse of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. This nutrient-dense fish is not only filling but also incredibly tasty. And the best part? It contains no carbs or sugar. Whether you grill it, bake it, or sear it, salmon is a great addition to any meal. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a breakfast staple for a reason. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and free of carbs and sugar. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, or sunny side up, eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients. Plus, they make for a satisfying meal any time of day. 4. Spinach. Leafy greens like spinach are not only low in carbs and sugar but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whether you saute it, blend it into a smoothie, or toss it into a salad, spinach is a versatile ingredient that can elevate any dish. And let's not forget Popeye. He knew what he was talking about. Hey, before we go on, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. That would mean a lot to us. Now back to the video. 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower has been having a moment in the health food world, and for good reason. This versatile vegetable is not only low in carbs and sugar, but also high in fiber and antioxidants. You can roast it, mash it, rice it, or even turn it into a pizza crust. The possibilities are endless. 6. Chicken. When it comes to protein sources, chicken is a classic choice. This lean meat is not only delicious, but also free of carbs and sugar. Whether you bake it, grill it, or stir-fry it, chicken is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. So go ahead and get creative in the kitchen. 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is another nutrient-packed vegetable that is both low in carbs and sugar. This cruciferous veggie is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a great addition to your diet. Whether you steam it, roast it, or stir-fry it, broccoli is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in many ways. 8. Almonds. If you're looking for a satisfying snack that is free of carbs and sugar, look no further than almonds. These crunchy nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a great option for when hunger strikes. Whether you enjoy them on their own or incorporate them into a trail mix, almonds are a nutritious and delicious choice. 9. Greek yogurt. Last but not least, we have Greek yogurt, a creamy and tangy treat that is low in carbs and sugar. This dairy product is rich in protein, probiotics, and calcium, making it a great option for a healthy snack or breakfast. Whether you top it with berries, nuts, or a drizzle of honey, if you're not avoiding sugar altogether, Greek yogurt is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in many ways. So there you have it, the top 9 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Whether you're looking to improve your diet, manage your weight, or simply eat more mindfully, incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your meals is a great place to start. So go ahead and give them a try. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time.